I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my king size bed frame.
The absolute best thing about this bed frame is the lack of assembling you have to do. This frame comes in two twin frames, which come already assembled, and they come folded in half. And all I had to do was unfold them and unfold the legs. So the time that it took me to set this up was literally minutes, which is super convenient. Which brings me to the next point that I love about this bed frame. Because it folds up, it makes it easy for me to store in my closet, but you can also store it in your garage, shed, or even under other beds. And even though this is the case, it doesn't mean you're compromising on quality. We personally have found this bed frame to be incredibly sturdy and tough. It doesn't squeak or hasn't bent on us. So if you are looking for a frame that is durable, space-saving, and easy to assemble, I highly recommend this one.
And that's my point of view.